In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Amazon Household. This is a great feature that allows members of your family to share their digital content, including ebooks, audiobooks, and apps, as well as Amazon's Prime benefits. This can be a real game changer for families who want to streamline their digital sharing and make the most of Amazon's offerings together. So, let's dive right in to get your Amazon Household set up. First, begin by heading over to Amazon.com and logging into your account. This is where you'll manage all the settings for your household, so make sure you're logged in with the account that holds the Amazon Prime membership if you have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on the Account option. This will take you to a central hub for your Amazon settings. Next, look for the option called Your Amazon Family among the options listed. This is where you'll start to form your Amazon household. Don't worry if it sounds a bit like a special club. It's actually pretty straightforward. Click on it, and you're ready for the next step. Here, you'll see an option to add new members to your household. Click on the icon that's labeled New. The idea here is to start adding members to your Amazon household. This is where you start building your community, so to speak, so make sure you have everyone's email addresses handy. You'll have the option to add either an adult or a child to your Amazon household. For today's walkthrough, let's focus on adding an adult first. Let's just click on Add Adult. This lets another adult in your family share your Prime benefits and digital content. Remember, you can have up to 2 adults in your household, so choose wisely who gets access. Once you've clicked on Add Adult, you'll need to move on to the next step, which is represented by the Create button. This is where you confirm that you want to add another adult to your household. It's a simple process, but an important step in setting up your Amazon household. Now it's time to type in the profile name. This profile name is how you'll identify each household member while navigating through your Amazon settings. Make sure it's easily recognizable so everyone can manage their accounts effortlessly. After typing in the profile name, simply click on Create again. Congratulations! You've just finished setting up your Amazon household. Now other members can enjoy shared content and Prime benefits. Take a moment to explore and adjust any settings or permissions you see fit. Thanks for joining me in setting up your Amazon household, and I hope you and your family enjoy all the shared content. Until next time, happy sharing.